Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
All right, babes, day one, and we are doing an Ariana Grande dance party, okay? Because I've been so excited to try Fitness Marshall and having this opportunity. I mean, today's the day. So we're gonna do an Ariana Grande dance party. I'm super excited. We're starting with positions, and I'm basically gonna do 30 minutes worth because he has about 11 Ariana Grande videos, so I feel like that's enough to get in 30 minutes of exercise. So let's get into it. Oh my sweet baby Jesus, y'all. Okay, 30 minutes. I'm so out of breath. I used to dance, and I would dance every single day. Like, I was on dance team, in dance classes. I was a cheerleader. Honey, we're like out of shape because I used to be able to do hours, and now it has been 30 minutes and yo sis is dying, okay? But in those 30 minutes, we burned 321 calories. My average heart rate was 167 beats per minute. And that workout, I'm like literally dripping sweat. Like, there is like sweat inside my Apple Watch case right now. Like, disgusting. Such a fun workout, such a good workout. I didn't feel like, even when I was out of breath, I would just like pause the video, take a breath, get right back into it. It is so fun. So if you guys are gonna try this, I definitely recommend starting with the Ariana Grande ones. They are buck wild and they are so fun. He is so fun. Caleb is like wild and fantastic, and I feel like this is gonna be such a fun week. And I'm kind of sad my workout's done. Like 30 minutes, that seems so short now, I guess, because it was such a fun workout, but we're gonna stick to 30 minutes to make it easier for any of you who want to like follow at home. Yeah, that was super fun. I cannot wait to try out the dances for tomorrow. So bye guys, I gotta shower. I'm disgusting. Like, I am wet. Okay, bye. Tell me in the comments down below if you're crooked, because your girl is feeling crooked and tired. So we did 30 minutes. Today I tried out the low impact, like apartment friendly workout, because I live in an apartment, but I live on the bottom floor. I just wanted to try it for you guys. It was okay. Like, the songs were kind of fun, but I do like the faster paced ones. I just think they're more fun. Even if I'm not the best at it, the best dancer at it, they are more fun, and the whole point is enjoying your workout. So I'm liking the faster paced ones. I ended up switching to the moderate sweat playlist, and that was my happy space. I had a lot of fun there. So guys, my workout was 30 minutes. I burned a total of 316 calories, and my average heart rate was 161 beats per minute. Super good workout, and in 30 minutes, like, I'm happy with that calorie burn in 30 minutes, just because I feel like sometimes I'm doing cardio for longer, like steady state for longer, and it's just like, I don't feel like doing this. Like, I get bored of it, I get tired of it, I don't look forward to it. I like these 30-minute quick, boom, bop, bop, you're done with your workout. It's been super fun for me, so I'm loving it. I'm gonna go shower, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it is day 3. I noticed that the Fitness Marshall uploaded a Santa Tell Me workout, so we're definitely starting with that. That is literally, no joke, my favorite Christmas song. When I went to see Ariana Grande at the end of 2019, we went to go see her tour, and she did all of her Christmas songs as like a surprise for us because it was in December. And oh my God, Santa Tell Me. I mean, Chase Center was ringing. Like, you heard everyone screaming at the top of their lungs. I love that song so much. I'm super excited to start with it. So let's get into the workout. Okay, babes, so today is actually Friday. I missed yesterday's workout because I went shopping with my friends Don't feel bad about it one bit because I got so much cute workout gear, and you're gonna be seeing it in a haul coming up in one of these Fitmas episodes. I don't know which one it's gonna be in, to be honest, because these are all getting bulk filmed. So you'll see it in one of them, but I am super excited to get into my workout. I'm gonna be working out today and then tomorrow morning, which is Saturday, before I go out and have some fun for the weekend. So you guys are still gonna get 5 workouts because your girl is committed to Fitmas. I personally, okay, straight up, have started thinking that these dances, some of these dances I just actually want to learn. Like, they are so fun and I just want to get good at them. So I think today I'm just going to pick whichever ones I want to try out and do and learn. If I've already done them before, it doesn't matter. I just think it's more fun. You like the song, you like the dance. So like, those are the ones you're gonna do. And that's what I feel like is the best thing about Fitness Marshall, to be honest, is his workouts are like songs that you like. And if you wanna learn the dance to a song that you like, you can. And it just makes it so much more fun. So with that being said, we're gonna get into day 4's workout. All right, guys, workout 4 is done. And the biggest thing I wanted to say about these workouts, number 1, they're so fun. But number 2, the biggest thing I've started to notice is that if you look on the screen when I insert where it says how many calories I burned versus active calories, when I was looking back at my Grow with Joe footage, which if you guys haven't seen that video from last Wednesday, make sure you go watch it. It's linked down below and up in the cards. But what I noticed is that my active calories and the actual calories I burned, the numbers are closer together than they were when I was doing the walking workouts. And that could be just because I'm walking like on flat ground, or because with the walking, you weren't using as much as your body as you are with dancing. You're using your mind, your body, all of it. It's super fun. But I wanted to point that out because I do feel like if you only have 30 minutes in your day, I honestly would recommend picking out 30 minutes worth of these fun dances. I get in about 6 or 7 of them in the 30 minutes, and it is so fun because they're songs you know, they're songs you already like to dance to. You don't have to be perfect at it. It's just you in your living room living your best life. And I just think it's like a really good workout. But noticing that the active calories and the actual calories burned is closer together makes me think that I'm getting in more of a workout in these 30 minutes than I was when I was doing longer workouts. It's just kind of whatever works for your body. But for my body, I feel like I have instantly noticed that I'm looking like trimmer. I don't necessarily feel like I've lost pounds, but I feel like my body is recompositioning this week. And it's super noticeable, especially after a rest day, which rest days a lot of times do show your results. After taking a rest yesterday, today I was like putting on my leggings and I was like, whoa, like we look a little different. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last workout. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is the last day. It is 8:56 on Saturday morning, and your girl has a busy day, so we got to get this workout through with. Because you guys thumbs up the last video so many times, I take that as understanding you guys like it when I repeat the first day's workout and compare it to the final day's workout. So that's what we're going to do today. The first day's workout was an Ariana Grande jam session. So we're just gonna do that one and do a bunch of Ariana Grande themed videos from Fitness Marshall. I'm only gonna add in the Santa Tell Me one because that is literally my favorite Christmas song. And I mean, it's Ariana Grande Day, so how can we not? You know, I love that song so much. So we're gonna add in that one. I'm gonna get this workout done and I will see you guys for the final check-in, weigh-in, measurements, all that good stuff. All right, babes, so I have just finished the 30 minutes of Ariana Grande, and because I'm having so much fun this morning and I really have a long, stressful day ahead of me, I gotta go get Christmas gifts, we got a party later, I gotta do my hair over, a bunch of crap to do. I'm just gonna have a little bit more fun and do a few of my favorite ones, but I don't wanna mess up the numbers comparing the first time to the second time, so let me just give them to you right now. The workout lasted about 30 minutes. I burned 314 total calories, and my average heart rate was like 165 beats per minute. The one that I'm gonna insert on the screen later is gonna have the added on extra workouts. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that real quick. before I keep going on my workout, because I'm just gonna do like 45 minutes today just because they're fun. And there's a few more dances I just want to do over for funsies before I actually start my crazy hectic day. All right, guys, so the week is up of Fitness Marshall workouts, and I want to talk to you guys all about my experience, what I thought of it. So first, everybody, I think you should try this. It was so fun. I did 30 minutes a day, every day of just fitness dance workouts. I think this is actually the best intro for beginners, because most people will listen to music and dance as is, right? You're chilling in your house, put on a little music, you're dancing around. Why don't you put on the music and learn an actual dance? You're working out, right? Like, it's just a step above just dancing around in your bedroom. And I think this is awesome for beginners, because when we work out, we listen to music we like, right? So you're already jamming to music you like, you're getting your workout in. The workouts are super accessible. They have ones that are low impact, they have ones that are light, moderate, high impact, high choreography. I mean, the playlists are on his channel. It's amazing, to be honest, how much free content he is giving you guys. So if you haven't checked out Fitness Marshall, please make sure you do. I'll have him linked down below, because I truly loved this challenge. It was probably the most fun that I have had of any of the fitness challenges I have done on my channel, which if you haven't checked out my weight loss playlist, that's where all those challenges are too, or they're under Fitmas. But yeah, guys, most fun I definitely have had in a challenge. So I want to give you a comparison of my Monday workout and my Saturday workout, because as you guys know, I missed Thursday this week. So let's get into the comparison. Okay, guys, so as you know, the first day and the last day of the challenge, I do essentially the same workout. So on Monday, it was 30 minutes. I burned a total of 321 calories, and my average heart rate was 167 beats per minute. Now, I told you guys that I continued my workout. On Saturday, I was having so much fun that I just finished out and I did 40 minutes of workout. So I want to add this in and just tell you guys what I ended at on Saturday. I ended at a 40-minute workout and I burned 412 calories with an average heart rate of 144 beats per minute. So guys, you can burn quite a bit doing these workouts, and I feel like you burn it without much effort. Like, you're out of breath, but you're like laughing and smiling. It didn't feel like a workout. It felt like I was just having a good time, like kicking back, dancing. And I think that's super important, because when you're trying to build a habit of working out, it cannot be something that's miserable or that you hate doing, right? You're not gonna do it, and it's not gonna become a habit. I'm trying to create a habit of this because this is a journey, and so I think it was super fun to do something that's like right up my alley, just dancing around, learning choreography, laugh and giggle, and have a good time at home. All right, guys, so weighing in at the beginning of this week, I weighed in at 248.7 pounds with 52.3 body fat, 25% muscle fat, 43% water weight, and 41.4 as a BMI. Weighing in this week, mind you, I weighed in on Sunday morning, which I probably should have switched to Saturday morning, but I worked out Saturday, so I kind of jumbled myself. But I did go out on Saturday, I did drink, and I did eat Taco Bell. So yeah, I went to a Christmas party. Just saying. So I weighed in at 248.2 pounds. My body fat, muscle mass, and water weight stayed the same. My BMI dropped by a point, or like 0.1, I guess, because it's 41.3. But where I really am seeing the fact that I went out and drank and like didn't treat my body the kindest on Saturday night is in my measurements. Because comparing my measurements, my belly button went up basically 2.5 inches or 1.5 inches. That's how much my belly button went up. And I can tell you right now, my belly button is still bloated and uncomfortable. Like that area measurement, my stomach, oh my God, it's still bloated and uncomfortable. And that's from me eating junk food, because I haven't had fast food in a very long time. We don't eat fast food. We basically cook everything at home. And my body let me know that it was not pleased with my decision, okay? Doesn't mean that eating Taco Bell and drinking to have a good time makes you a villain. No, but I want to be honest about my weight loss journey and tell you guys that I noticed it. I did not feel as good, and I still don't feel 100%. So just thinking about those things before you make those decisions. I had a great time. I don't regret it. But I do know that this weekend when I go out, I probably will not be getting Taco Bell after drinking. I think I will just come home and eat something I've already cooked and be kinder to my stomach. But guys, the only big difference, I guess you could say, in my measurements is that I lost 1/2 inch in my butt, which sucks. I gained 1/2 inch in my thighs, and I lost 0.25 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch in my calves. So yeah, I feel like right now, like I said earlier in the video, I feel like my body is just recompositioning and I'm not really gonna see weight loss for a little bit, and that's totally fine. And I want to make sure I'm making that clear because I think a lot of people watch these weight loss videos. I'm guilty of this too. People try out a workout for a week and they're saying they lost like 10 pounds that week. But the next week you see them uploading another video saying they also lost 10 pounds in a week and their body looks suspiciously the same in the thumbnail. I'm not calling anybody out. I'm just saying that this is occurring on YouTube. And I think something that people forget when they watch YouTube is people do this as a job. Some people do this as a job. This isn't my job. This is something I do as like a hobby and it's fun. But some people, this is their full-time job. So they need you to click on these videos. So if they are maybe bending the truth or, you know, photoshopping or, you know, eating something bad to make themselves bloated and then doing some not so healthy diet practices to make it seem like these challenges gave them tons of weight loss, you guys have to understand that like views and clicks make people money. So I want this journey to be as realistic as possible for you guys. So I'm keeping it a buck. You could work out every day for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and never lose a pound, but your body can transform itself, right? So that's the big thing that I want to stress to you guys. That's why in the beginning of this journey, if you didn't watch Fitmas episode 1, you really need to watch it. I will have it linked above and down below. Guys, you need to set goals that are not just about the scale, right? Like I told you, I'm focusing on my measurements. I'm focused on feeling more energy. I'm focused on feeling more endurance. And those are the things I noticed this week, right? I had so much more energy after working out. I have so much more stamina. If you guys didn't know, if you missed the poll, Miss Lauren Giraldo's 12-3-30 won for next week. And I started my workout today and I can tell you guys, like, I had so much more energy in that workout than I have had in a workout before starting these 2 weeks of challenges. So that's one thing that I'm tracking is my energy and how I'm feeling. And I can tell you right now, like my mood is so much more boosted. I have so much more energy throughout my day. Like I get so much more done in the same amount of hours because I have more energy to do it. So like I said, make sure that you're tracking things other than just your weight, guys, because I don't want anyone being disappointed or discouraged. And I'm sharing this all with you guys so that you are getting a realistic idea of how my journey goes. But guys, that is it for this video. I shared it all with you, so now you guys know. I will see you here next week on Wednesday to do 12-3-30. And if you guys want to be included in the polls, make sure you are subscribed and you have notification bells on so that you never miss a notification from my channel. Also, make sure you check the community tab. I usually will post in there on like Friday or Saturday/Sunday to let you guys vote for what the workouts are going to start on Monday. So I hope you guys have been enjoying that. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That's the best way to help out this channel. And if you're loving Fitmas, then encouraging it and letting me know you're loving it is the best way to keep it going. I have so many big plans for what we're gonna be doing in the new year. So make sure you comment down below guessing what you think those are because I got some good ideas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.